Chukky, yeah. Yeah? Yeah. Madana. Chukky?
We were just sitting in the living room, playing around with Chukky. Of course, Ezenwa is not missing out of teaching the dog Igbo. Of course, the dog still has to learn a lot. Right now, he keeps on chewing anything that gets between his teeth. This time, Nerogo's car. But suddenly, Nerogo saw a spider, and Ezenwa had to go and get it down. Nerogo wanted Daddy to get it down. Hey, don't fall, Chief. Like that Guinness has entered your body. But when he finally managed to get it down, Nerogo took a run. Nerogo, yeah? Let's go, no. Nerogo! Nerogo!
Yeah. Nerogo! Papa? Right. Nerogo! Hey, why you leave Chukky to climb you like this? I don't like that. Chukky, hey, wait. Hello? You are giving this dog privilege. I don't like in this house. That's why you always climb like. Nerogo! Nerogo!
But it took some time before Obere Chief came out again.
Hello, Chukky.
And he was not confident at all. It's gone, it's gone. Leave puppy. He felt safer hiding behind Mommy and started to summon courage, pretending he was throwing the spider back to Ezenwa. There we go, give it to puppy. Yeah, give it to puppy. He didn't expect his dad to go and look for another spider again. And with the help of Chijioke, he even found one. But sometimes those that build a trap fall inside themselves. And after all of the excitement, we ended the evening with some Igbo proverbs. Maybe that was Ezenwa's way of telling his children that even though he's playing with them, they shouldn't lose respect.